Hey, my name is Dimitri, I'm from PYTHON Fasteners, and we're here today on a very special site with the school being remodeled and retrofitted. Let me show you around. We had a concrete truck just backed up on site delivering our Shotcrete mix. That gets fed right into this pumping system. That drives the concrete mix right through this hose up on site where it gets sprayed onto our masonry walls. What we have here is the Shotcrete being applied, and it's looking really wet. And the team of contractors here are smoothing it out so you get a nice smooth surface finish. The PYTHON system integrates the two layers together, the old brickwork with the new concrete. And that really made a big difference to the site team here. They saved days of their construction program because the PYTHON system was just so fast and easy to install. Once the concrete is sprayed, you saw the roughened surface. So then the team goes and travels over this and you end up with a very smooth, nice finish. Everything is completed. The final finishes are being done, and this is the type of surface that you end up with. The original school building was constructed out of clay bricks. Clay bricks are famously not good at performance in earthquakes. So what we're trying to do here is to strengthen this building, retrofit it so that in an earthquake we don't get a pile of bricks like this. The PYTHON engineering team has closely worked with the structural engineer, the contractor, to make this project a successful reality.